I am on my first solo trip, and this was the first time I was using my stove. So of course I pulled out my instructions and my manual and I read it before I even touched this, because this is a gas stove and I've had the propane off since I've bought this RV about a month ago. So I went outside, I turned the RV on, or the propane on inside the RV container. I have two propane tanks, one on each side. My main function is over on the same side as my electric. So I turned it on and I came in here and I pulled out my instructions. And the first thing it said is make sure you have air. Because of the small size of our RVs, you don't have as much oxygen as you may have in here as a large house. And since your flames require oxygen, they said, make sure you get some. So the first thing I did is I opened this little window right here where I'm keeping my plants. But I also have a vent up top, like most of you should have in your kitchen, and I opened the vent as well. Now I have an electric stove at home. I have not cooked on a propane or gas stove in a very long time. So for those of you who have that at home, this is probably old hat for you. For me, it was something new. So I have a couple of different knobs here, and I'm going to show you what they are. I have a 3-burner stove, 2 in the back, 1 in the front. I was just cooking up some eggs this morning, so I needed to just use the front. I have my spark and 3 knobs here, and then the one for the oven. I've not used the oven yet. That'll be another video. To turn the knob that I needed, and I turned it to the light section, and then I just turned my spark. I had flame, and that was great. It was actually much easier than I expected it to be. But like I said, I haven't cooked with gas in a long time, and I did burn my eggs. So still have some learning to do.